Good Tuesday morning. Today is Terrific Tuesday, and this is our first day of this new process with morning meetings. And it's going to be every day you'll have a little short video. Today's going to be a little bit longer because I want to show you all this stuff that's on here. Little by little, I'm going to take it away where I'm doing it with you, and you're following along to where you're doing it on your own. But right now, I wanted to share, I'm going to do you a little bit of tidbit, fun fact, or anything each day. And today is International Literacy Day. So, international means all over the world. Literacy means reading. So, all over the world, people are celebrating reading. So, let's make sure we get our reading in today to show that we're celebrating International Literacy Day. Now, I'm going to start doing screen share, and I want to show you how this daily morning meeting will work. So if you're watching this, you've come on here and you've clicked on morning meeting and you're watching me. I'm letting you in my classroom door and I'm welcoming you in. And then on this side is your daily check-in, a link for you to do your daily check-in. And if you've not already done it, you'd only need to do it once a day. Some of you are doing it every time you go into something different. You don't need to. Once a day is all I need. And if you go to this form, remember you can go up there and just click on the X where it was at to close it out, because you want to come back to this page in this assignment. Now down here it says go on to next page, and I've got it linked where it'll take you to the next page. And just like if we were in school, we need to be doing the Pledge of Allegiance. So I've got it all right here. And then over here, I've got a link for a video. So click on the video before you do this pledge, and you'll see what I've done to put our pledge on there. Okay? So once you've done your pledge, you can close that video down by Xing off wherever the video was at, and then come back here and go to page 3. And here is the calendar math that we need to do. So I've already got the dates put up where it's already been for the month of September. So if the last day was 7th, what do I need to put in here? I need to put the 8th. So I'll come down here. I don't have this active. Hold on, let me go out of it. And edit. Now I can go into it. So there's many ways as a teacher I can go into this. So I'm going to come to this, and I'm going to move the 8 up here. You'll do that on yours as well, okay? And that's all we're doing on this page right now. Today is, let's do this. Let's count our numbers up to where it's the day. 1, 2, you do it with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today is the 8th of September, and if I come up here, it's a Tuesday. All right, now let's go to the next page. Now we're still working with our calendar math. We saw that we just looked at today is what day of the week? It was Tuesday. So we'll move Tuesday over. Now yesterday was... If I'm having a little bit of trouble, I can come here and click on this, and there's a song for the days of the week, and it helps me remember. So what day came before Tuesday? It was Monday, so I'm going to move Monday over. So if we had Monday, today's Tuesday, tomorrow will be Wednesday, so I'm going to move Wednesday over. Now today's date is, well, we know it's September, so we'll move September up. And if I forget, I can go back and put, I put it was the 8th. So it's September 8th. And it's the 8th. So we're going to put a TH right here. And then this is the blank day of school. Now, how many days have we been at school? Oh, we've been here because we're at 3 weeks already, and there's 5 days in a week. So 5, 10, 15, and then today, add it to it. Today is the 16th day of school. So we're going to put 16, but we don't say this is the 16th day of school. We say it is the 16th. So we need to come over here and get the th. We have TH. It is the 16th day of school. So we need to do that, okay? When we've got all these filled out, then we're done with the calendar page right here. And right here it says go on to the next page. And we'll click right here. Let's go to the next page. Now, we're going to take what we said about today being the 16th day, and we're going to build the day with the base 10 blocks. Now, with the number 16, I'm going to help myself out a little bit. I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to write 16 up here to help me remember. Do I have any hundreds in 16? No, because if I did, I'd have a number here, here, and here. Now, if I've got 16, I've got 2 digits. Right here, this is how many tens I have. So I have 1 10. And this second number is in the ones place, like right here. And how many's there? 6 of them. So if we had 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 16 represented in base 10 blocks. And then we're going to build the day with coins. So let's talk about the names of the coins here. We have a penny, a nickel, dime, and quarter. We're reviewing those. The value of 1 penny is 1 cent. The value of a nickel is 5 cents. The value of a dime is 10 cents. And the value of the quarter is 25 cents. So I always like to start with the highest value coins and go back. So with the quarter being 25 cents, would I need to move it up to help me represent the number 16? No, because 25 is already too high. Now, a dime's worth 10 cents. If I move it up, is it less than 16? Yes. So what if I move a second dime up? I count by tens. 10, 20. Can't do that. That's too much. So I'm going to go down to the next highest value coin, which is a nickel, and it's worth 5 cents. So now we're going to do 10 plus 5. 10, put 10 in my head, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's my 5 I added. Oh, 15's less than 16, so I'm still good. Would I do another nickel? No, I can't add 5 more. I'm at 15. To go from 15 to 16 just needs 1 more cent, and that's what the value of 1 more penny is. So 16 cents can be represented with a dime, a nickel, and a penny. And there could be other combinations, but we're going to go with that right now because that uses the least amount of coins possible. So here it's telling us to go on to the next page. So let's go. And we're looking at the weather. Today the weather is sunny, rainy, cloudy, or snowy. And if I look outside, I'm seeing the bright sunshine. So I'm going to move the sunshine down here and put it beside sunny. All right. Now let's come down here, and it's telling us to go to the next page. Maybe. There we go. And here we're looking at the clock. We have it in the digital time. And here we're going to put this is the face of an analog clock. And we're going to put the hands on it. Now the short hour hand is looking at this first number. And so if I look at that first number, I need it pointing to 9 over here. So you'll move it over here, and if you need to rotate it, you click this until you get how you want it. And now I'm going to move it, and it's pointing right towards the 9. And you need to have this end touching the middle. Now we have 00 when we say o'clock, but I don't see any 00s. Oops. Do like that if you mess up. That's the back button to redo something. I don't have any 00s over here. O'clock means the brand new hour, and it's always a brand new hour when that minute hand is up at the 12. It starts all over again. So we're going to put it right here. There is 9 o'clock represented on an analog clock. So that's what you do on this page. Now it tells me down here, go on the next page, so I'm going to click on it. Okay. Now right here it says click the picture below and go to journal assignment in Seesaw. I think I've got this fixed where it comes straight to it. Right, here's the link, and it's on a page in this. So this might be easier what I've done rather than going to a whole new assignment in Seesaw. It's just linked in this module here. And your journal writing for today is, you write it in your journal, what is your favorite color? And your sentence frame will be, this is what you'll copy and finish up. My favorite color is blank, and you'll put it in there and then draw a picture for that. Now before we go on to the next page, I want to show you this. Click here for weekly checklist. You can click here and then go to your weekly checklist, and you can print it off, or you could just go refer to it on the computer, however you want to do it. So before we go there, we need to do our journal page because it was first here. And here it is, Tuesday. What is your favorite color? And you need to write your date code. Some of you kind of forgot that. You would do it in your journal and post a picture of your journal page here. So it'll look like this, where you've got a drawing, and right here you've copied my favorite color is, and then you would answer it and put a period at the end. And then once you've got this done, you come over here to the camera and you would take a photo and make it be big on this page. You can cover up all this stuff on here. I know what's behind it. I want to be able to see your nice, neat handwriting for answering this question or prompt. Okay, now down here it says finished. So if you've done all your stuff and you're ready to come out of this, you can click the check button. But if you're not, you might want to click draft. But I've got it set up to where each end of each day, if you've done your journal, you've done all the calendar math, and if your parents have already done with doing the checklist and getting it clicked, you can click the check submit button and you're done for the day. Okay, so I'm going to click check, saying I've done all this. Okay, and if you're not sure, these are the directions. Let me save it so, and you'll see all, it tells you all the steps to do. So this is like what you do in your normal classroom if you were at school. Every day you'd be coming in, and these are the first things you do as a whole group. Right now, we're going to do it in a video, whole group kind of format, if it's, you could say that. And then little by little, you're going to be doing it on your own. But I'll always do a little video morning message like this, but it won't be as long as this one. This was just our first day, and I wanted to show you everything. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, let me know. And enjoy International Literacy Day, and celebrate everyone around the world, with everyone around the world, by reading a book today.